हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल स्टडी क्वेस्ट करंट अफेयर्स। अगर आप कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो तो ये चैनल आपके लिए परफेक्ट है। यहाँ हम डेली 20 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते हैं, बिल्कुल सिंपल और एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड तरीके से। तो वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखिए और अगर हेल्पफुल लगे तो लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज के करंट अफेयर्स के साथ। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द बायोफार्मा शक्ति स्कीम अनाउंस्ड इन द यूनियन बजट 26-27 एम्स टू बूस्ट विच सेक्टर इन इंडिया? Option A, defense manufacturing. B, biologics and biosimilars production. C, automobile exports. D, space research. And the answer is B, biologics and biosimilars production. Second question is, what is the outlay of the Biopharma Shakti scheme for the next 5 years? Option A is 5,000 crore rupees, B 10,000 crore, C 15,000 crore, D 20,000 crore. And the answer is B, 10,000 crore rupees. The third question is, the Mini Ratna Category 1 status was recently granted to which Indian Defence Public Sector Unit? Option A is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, B Bharat Electronics Limited, C Yantra India Limited, D BEML Limited. And the answer is C, Yantra India Limited. Next question is, what new technology pilot expansion did the RBI announce in India? Option A is blockchain loans, B digital rupee pilot, C crypto exchange pilot, D e-gold wallet. And the answer is B, digital rupee pilot. Fifth question is, India has expanded the digital rupee pilot to a total of how many cities? Option A is 10, B 15, C 28, D 40. And the answer is C, 28. Sixth question is, which two new sites were added to India's Ramsar list ahead of World Wetlands Day 2026? Option A, Chilika Lake and Webanad Lake, B, Keoladio National Park and Loktak Lake, C, Patna Bird Sanctuary and Charidhand Wetland Reserve, D, Sundarbans and Bhitarkanika. And the answer is C. Next question is, which welfare scheme crossed 50 crore beneficiaries in India? Option A, MGNREGA, B, PM Kisan, C, Ayushman Bharat PMJAY, D, Swachh Bharat Mission. And the answer is C, Ayushman Bharat PMJAY. Next question is, the first semiconductor fabrication unit in India started trial production in which state? Option A, Karnataka, B, Gujarat, C, Tamil Nadu, D, Maharashtra. And the answer is B, Gujarat. Next question is, the US Federal Reserve kept interest rates within which range as of end January 2026? Option A, 3 to 3.25%, B 4.25 to 4.50%, C 5 to 5.25%, D 6 to 6.25%. And the answer is B. Next question is, which global climate finance goal was discussed at COP31 discussions? Option A, $100 billion annually, B, $300 billion annually, C, $500 billion annually, D, $1 trillion annually. And the answer is C. Next question is, the Israeli-Palestinian conflict has been recent diplomatic efforts by which mediators? A, USA, Egypt, Qatar, B, UK, France, Russia, C, China, India, Japan, D, South Africa, Brazil, Turkey. And the answer is A. Next question is, Brent crude prices on 1st Feb 2026 were influenced by decisions of which group? Option A, G20, B, OPEC plus, C, EU, D, Asian. And the answer is B, OPEC plus. The next question is, which global digital payments platform processed 16 billion transactions in January 2026? Option A, Swift, B, PayPal, C, UPI, D, VisaNet. And the answer is C, UPI. Next question is, GST collections for January 2026 reached approximately. Option A, 1.2 lakh crore rupees, B, 1.5 lakh crore, C, 1.87 lakh crore, D, 2.50 lakh crore. And the answer is C. Next question is, Cochin International Airport Limited is set to introduce what eco-friendly transport innovation? Option A is electric taxis, B, hydrogen powered buses, C, solar flight service, D, biofuel drones. And the answer is B, hydrogen powered buses. Next question is, India's trade agreement with the USA cut tariffs on India exports to around what percentage? Option A 10%, B 18%, C 30%, D 40%. And the answer is B 18%. Next question is, during the budget session, what motion was discussed in both houses of the Indian Parliament? Option A, no confidence motion. B, motion of thanks to the President's address. C, finance bill only. D, motion to impeach Supreme Court judges. And the answer is B. Next question is, President Draupadi Murmu's official visit in February 2026 began in which state? Option A, Gujarat. B, Odisha. C, West Bengal. D, Assam. And the answer is B, Odisha. Next question is, India aims to achieve how much renewable energy capacity by 2030? And the option is A 300 gigawatt, B 400 gigawatt, C 500 gigawatt, D 600 gigawatt. And the answer is C. And the last question is, the EU AI Act, which came into full effect in February 2026, is significant for global governance of option A, ownership model and data localization requirements. B, level of computational power consumed by AI models. C, degree of risk posed to fundamental rights and public safety. D, sector-wise applications such as health, defense and finance. And the answer is C. अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक शेयर जरूर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।